In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change name or email in Agoda. First, open the Agoda app on your phone or go to the Agoda website in your browser and log into your account. Make sure you're using the account that holds your bookings. If you have more than one account, double check the signed in email at the top of the page once you're in. Next, look to the top right corner and click the profile icon. It's usually a small circle or a person silhouette, and this takes you to your account area where you can see and manage your personal details and preferences. From there, click on Profile. This is where Agoda stores your user details, including your name and contact information. Give the page a moment to load to ensure everything appears correctly before making changes. Under User Details, find your name and click the Edit button next to it. This will open a small form where you can update your information. If you're changing your name for travel, make sure it matches your government issued ID exactly. Same spelling, same order of first and last name, and the correct capitalization. Using nicknames or initials can cause issues at check-in, so it's best to keep it official. Type in your new name carefully, then click Save. Wait for the confirmation message or banner that shows your update was successful. If you don't see a confirmation, refresh the page and verify that the change is showing. If you have an upcoming trip, it's a good idea to review your itinerary afterward to make sure your booking details still look correct. Now, for changing the email address on your Agoda account, the process is a little different for security reasons. You'll need to contact Agoda support by email from the same email address currently registered on your account. In your message, include your booking ID and clearly state the new email address you want to use. This helps them verify your identity and apply the change to the right account. To find the correct support email, go to the Help Center or the Contact Us section in the app or on the website and copy the listed address from there. After you send your message, keep an eye on your inbox, including your spam or junk folder, for a reply. Support may ask for a quick verification before they confirm the update. Once completed, try signing out and signing back in with the new email to make sure everything works. And that's it. Log in, open your profile, edit and save your name, and email support to update your email securely.